In this video, you will be shown how to assign a Go Math online assessment. The first thing you will need to do is log in to your Go Math account. Then you will be taken to your home page, and you want to move your mouse right above where it says Assignments, and then you want to click Test underneath the Add section. Now that you do this, you'll need to set up your search criteria. So you'll want to click Subject Mathematics, Grade, whatever grade you teach, Resource, Go Math Online Assessment System. Then you want to click where it says Find. Now you will have a list of all the possible online assessments you can assign. What you will want to do is scroll down and find the assessment that you would like to assign. Now, if you would like to view the assessment, you can just simply click on the Chapter 10 Test Form A, for example. Click on that, and I can see that the Form A is 25 multiple choice questions. If I would like to view each question, I can even click on the arrow and view the actual question. You can even close out of this and it'll still keep you on your scheduled and assigned list. Now you can even see Form B has a mix of both multiple choice and essay questions. So if I would like to even view the essay question as well, I can click on the essay question along with it'll show me the question along with the correct answer. I can close out of this. Now once I feel comfortable with the assessment that I would like to assign, which will be Chapter 10 Test Form A, I'll click on that and then go to the Assign button. Now you will need to give this assessment a name, so I will just simply name it Chapter 10 Test. Now if you would like to randomize the questions, you can. It usually defaults to checking that off. You can click off of that if you would like every test to have the same question order. You'll need to select your class that you have set up, and you will see all of the students within your class on the left-hand side. If you would just like a certain number of students to take the assessment, you just can click on that student and then click Add. However, if you would like to add your whole entire class, click Add All. You will need to set up the available date and due date. Now the available date will be when the test is available to your students, and the due date will be the last day that the students will be able to access the assessment. You can also set it up by times as well. Okay, now you will need to set the due date to whatever you feel would be appropriate for all your students to be able to take the assessment. Now once you have set that up, there will be some other criteria that you could put within your assessment. If you would like to have students use a password to access the assessment, it defaults as not having a password, but if you would like to do that, you can. Everything else pretty much defaults the way that you would like it. You would allow your students to pause their answers. You would allow students to see their answers. Okay, so once you have everything set up the way that you would like it, you have all of your students assigned, you can click Save, and you will see a pop-up that says you are about to create a new assessment. Click OK to continue. Click Cancel to refresh. I will click OK. And now I can see that I have students, 24 students that have been assigned. There's not one student that has started this assessment, and that means I have assigned the assessment correctly. Is how you assign a Go Math online assessment.